Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, feast your eyes upon the HS790 from Holy Stone. This is their brand new release, 2025. We got a 3-axis brushless gimbal there, 2 blue headlights, folding props, brushless motors rather, rubber feet.
GPS mode.
We have GPS mode, since she said that. What else do we have? We got optical flow. You have SD card slot for high quality video and picture taking abilities, and all the capabilities that GPS can offer, like follow me, 360, I imagine, flight, maybe waypoints, return to home, all that good stuff. I'm sure you got return auto takeoff and landing, which is a very nice feature, especially for beginners. A little leery of the takeoff, which is what gets most people in the beginning. Just give it some throttle and take off, my best advice. Once you get a little ways off the ground, things tend to stabilize, so just realize that. Remember that and just be confident and you'll get it. You're gonna do fine. Anyway, without further ado, let's get this up in there and see what it's got. There we go, down into the center. Didn't have my stick screwed in there, so I'm gonna have to fix that real quick. Bear with me a second. It's windy. Let me get it in a higher speed. It's in sport mode. There we go. Going up. Hope you guys can see this. I just never know sometimes. I need to get another phone so I can see what my GoPro's seeing. It's mounted on my head. Once it's up there, I can't tell. I'll fix it eventually, guys. Sorry about all the dead segments where you can't see anything, I guess is what we'll call it. The empty segments. Wow, that is a good flying drone. Wind doesn't even bother it. Cuts right to it. Well, let's park it up there and see how stable it is. Alright, gonna park it now. What? Just like it stopped on a dime. I hope you can see this. Alright, while we're up here, let's go ahead and do a couple snapshots. And then we'll do a slow 360 and get a little video. Okay, gonna do a couple snapshots. Find the camera button here. Oh, camera is on the back on this one. Right back here, camera, and then video. The furthest in is the camera and the furthest out is the video start. So, a couple snapshots. There's one. Gonna turn the drone a little bit. Turn it the other way. There's two. Or rather, there's two. Alright, let's start the video and do a slow 360. I'm going to get a little more altitude for this. Your remote does tell you your telemetry, so you know your distance and your altitude. And your, what else does it tell you? I'm sorry. Your speed, I think. Some of them do. This one might not. This is just distance and your height, I believe. Yes, looks like distance and height. Okay, here we go, slow 360, starting the video. I hear a passenger plane up there. Somewhere. A small piloted plane. I'm low enough, I'm sure I'm not in his way. Or her way. Alright. There we have them. Let's stop the video. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try a return to home. Oh, let me turn it back the other direction. There we go. I think that's far enough away. Let me make sure I see where this airplane's at. Gotta yield them the right of way. Always. Oh, he's way up there. Okay, no worries. Thousands of feet up there. Here we go. Return to home. Right up here, top right corner.
Return home.
Still on the face of the remote. So. Oh, look at there. It turned around and it's headed back this way. I love it when it does that. That's my favorite. And then when it spins around, when it's ready to land, that's so cool. It's also got rubber feet. It's got a lot of things going for it. 3-axis brushless gimbal. I'm loving it. Super stable. GPS seems to be accurate enough.
Stop, return home.
It did what I wanted it to. Turned around, it's coming down to land. There's the landing spot. There's the drone. Not too far off. Hope it don't end up in the willow tree. No, it looks pretty close. We can stop it by either hitting the return to home or simply pushing up on the throttle. Just make some kind of command to stop it. Let's see how close it's going to get. Wow. We'll land in the burn pit almost, but it's within, I would say 3 feet from the landing. Yeah, right around 3 feet, 4 feet from the center of the landing or takeoff point. Let's go ahead and see if we can land it. Man, that's nice and stable, even in that wind. Very nice quality drone. Let's just get a close-up look at it. Don't look at my numbers on the side there. I'll blur them out. Got to have it registered. It is over 250 grams, so make sure you have your registration sticker on there to be legal. Just follow along, you'll be okay. No reason to sweat over it. Okay, that's a beautiful drone, very nice, well made. Congratulations, Holy Stone, I'm proud of you. You guys all need one of these. Ask your husband to buy them for you, or your wife to buy them for you. That works for me. Look, they're almost missed. That was my fault though, not the drones. Very cool drone, very nice. The HS790 from Holy Stone. I like it. It's staying at my house. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace.